Hello, little artists! Today, we're going to draw and color this fun yellow monster with a soccer ball and a sporty outfit. Isn't it cool? Let's start by drawing the monster's head, body, and the soccer ball. Grab your pencil, and let's get started. Now comes the best part, coloring. Start by coloring the monsters for yellow. The shirt can be white with blue stripes, and the soccer ball should be black and white. The headband can be blue, and the monster's teeth and tongue should be red. You're doing fantastic! Keep going! Look at that! Our yellow soccer monster is ready to play. You did such a wonderful job today. Keep practicing, and you'll keep getting better and better. See you next time for more fun drawings. Hi, little artists! Today, we're going to draw and color this adorable blue and yellow monster with horns and a big smile. Isn't it just so fun? Let's start by drawing the monster's body and face. Grab your pencil, and let's begin. Now for the fun part, coloring. Color the monster's body blue and its arms and legs yellow. The horns should be yellow with a little bit of orange at the tips. The monster's mouth and teeth can be red, and the eyes should be blue with white in the center. Keep going. You're doing great! Look at that! Our blue and yellow monster looks amazing with its big smile and cool horns. You did such an amazing job today. Keep practicing, and you'll keep getting better and better. See you next time for more fun drawings.